welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. So today I'm so super excited because I'm going to be featuring the new Air AB 1200B 126 can beverage cooler. Yay! I'm so super excited. This is a picture of the item. So I'm going to be showcasing this beverage refrigerator that I received from New Air. I was so super excited to work with this company. They were very easy to work with, just very pleasant. The product came in right away, and so we have been enjoying it. I did try it out for a little while before I did this video because I wanted to be sure to give you guys an accurate take on it, and we absolutely love it. We have this refrigerator placed in our garage because we have a treadmill in there, and when my husband's working on cutting the lawn and things like that, it's easy and convenient for him to just grab a bottle of water from the refrigerator and then get back to it. And we also have a little play gym area. Addison has a little indoor basketball goal in the garage, and so while he's out there playing, he can also grab a bottle of water anytime that he gets thirsty, and it's just very convenient. Also, it's nice to have it right there because when we're having family and friends over, I don't have to use up refrigerator space for water because that one is fully stocked, and you can include soda, water, bottles of wine, beer, whatever you like to drink. The refrigerator is adjustable so it can accommodate for whatever your needs are. So alrighty guys, let's get into this video. I'll show you guys how we unpack it, put it together, and how it works. Okay guys, so we are in the garage, and here is the new Air Beverage Cooler, and my husband is going to take it out of the box and put it into place. So we're just gonna go ahead and get it out of the box and all set up. So as you guys can see, this is really simple and easy peasy. The refrigerator is already together. Basically, you just drop the box around it and there it is. And of course, I love that it is energy efficient. So as you can see there, it has a little energy guide there. So that's always a plus when you can save money on your appliances. Guys, don't ask me, but I don't know why my husband has on church socks with his with his gym shorts and shirt, but you know what? It's all good. When I asked him about it, he laughed and said his sock game is on point. So I guess so. So we decided to place the refrigerator right next to our garage entrance door. It's the perfect spot and is right next to an outlet, so it plugs in easily. So this beverage fridge also comes with a key, so you can actually lock it. So if you decided to keep alcoholic beverages in this refrigerator, then you can lock that and keep anyone out. But as you can see, we have it filled with water so far, and we can add in sports drinks or soda or anything else that we might like at any point. But also I wanted to show you guys how easily adjustable these shelves are, so you can have them as close together or as far apart as you like. and you can actually remove them if you need it to just have more space. So for taller beverages. So I really like that it's adjustable so you can customize it to your needs. This fridge also comes equipped with a light that you can turn on or off, and that's totally up to you. Because it's in our garage, we probably won't be using the light, but it is a nice feature to have, especially if you have it in your house. And here you can see that we have it fully stocked, and it's perfect for our family. Alrighty guys, so I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. If so, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Now, again, I'm so excited to have this refrigerator in our home. It's very convenient where it's located. Also, I should mention that initially we thought we might put it in our media room upstairs, but my husband felt like it would be better use for us in the garage, since we that's like our main thoroughfare into our home. We generally park in the garage and then come into the house. So it's very convenient there as opposed to upstairs in the media room. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this item for yourself and your family, then be sure to check the description box down below for more details. And let me say a big thank you so much to New Air for sending out this product. We really love it. Our family is really enjoying having it. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit the notification bell to receive alerts as to when I upload new videos. It's absolutely free, guys. It costs you nothing to hit the subscribe button, but it definitely does help my channel out a lot. And for my faithful family members, you guys know I love you so very much. And I'm looking forward to seeing all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye-bye.